Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW M4 versus C8. We'll dive into what makes each of these performance machines stand out, helping you decide which one best fits your driving style and preferences. We'll cover their core characteristics, from engine type to overall design philosophy. Get ready for a head-to-head look at two incredible sports cars. When it comes to raw power, both cars are formidable. The M4's engine provides instant torque, making it incredibly responsive for daily driving and track days. The C8, with its mid-engine design, offers exceptional balance and a visceral, naturally aspirated engine sound. Its quick acceleration times are truly impressive, putting it in a league with much more expensive supercars. The driving experience differs significantly. The M4 blends performance with everyday comfort, making it a versatile choice for various situations. Its interior is well-appointed, offering a premium feel. The C8, on the other hand, is a pure sports car, prioritizing driver engagement and track capability. While less practical, its handling is incredibly precise and exhilarating. Considering value, the C8 often presents a more accessible entry point into high-performance motoring, offering incredible bang for your buck. The M4, while pricier, provides a blend of luxury, practicality, and performance that many drivers appreciate. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize raw sports car thrills or a more balanced, premium experience. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.